Hi, teacher. So, what I will be doing after my studies or after graduating for my major? I think that uh, firstly I need to apply the different knowledge that I catch in this term of study, and hopefully practice my doing my practice professional in Bavaria in this organization that it's the one of the biggest in Colombia. So uh, why or yes, why Bavaria? Because I think that is the best organization, and a lot of friends tell me that it's a very spectacular organization for doing the practice. And I have different familiaries. Fam- my aunt work in that organization, and I think that he can help me. And I think that I hopefully can growing up in the organization and specialize it in experience, like a good like one of the best managers of this organization. So I uh, before that or after that, I think that in 10 years I can see me in different countries. I love Colombia, but I originally from Brazil. I I born there, and I think that I live there or in Europe, like in a Nordic country. I hope that. So I hopefully uh, want to stay in another country and learn about all about his cultures. I think, and no more. Thank you. So I'm Daniel Avi.